In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste screenshot on Jupyter Notebook. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to capture what you see on your screen and display it neatly inside a notebook for reports, demos, or documentation. Start by opening your Jupyter environment in your browser. This can be Jupyter Notebook or JupyterLab, either works for what we're doing. Make sure you're in the right workspace and everything is finished loading so you can move smoothly through the steps. Now bring up the file, output, or data you want to capture. Position it clearly on your screen, and if needed, adjust your zoom so text and visuals are crisp. It helps to remove distractions and expand panels so your selection area is simple and clean. Take your screenshot using the built-in shortcut for your system. On Windows, press Windows plus Shift plus S. Then click and drag to select the exact region you want. The image is copied straight to your clipboard. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus 4, then drag to capture. That also copies the selection to your clipboard. Take a second to get a precise crop. This saves editing later. Back in Jupyter, go to the top menu, click File, hover over New, and choose Notebook to open a fresh workspace for your paste. Give it a moment to create the notebook and show the first cell. Click into that first cell and change its type to markdown. You can use the cell type dropdown in the toolbar to switch from code to markdown. With the cell set to markdown, paste your screenshot directly into the cell using Ctrl plus V on Windows or Command plus V on Mac. You should see a placeholder appear in the cell content. Now run the cell to render the image. Pressing Shift plus Enter is the fastest way to do this. Your screenshot will display inline, ready for notes or explanations beneath it. If the image doesn't appear, double-check the cell is marked down, then paste again. That's all there is to it. Clean, quick, and perfect for visual documentation inside Jupyter.